You want to go see Mary for a little bit?
No.
Why not?
We just nice house and nice grass. This one is nice. Peppers. And this dressing.
No, goed. No, goed. Ga er bijna niet in.
Hello friends, today is next day. Actually 2 days later. And I'm again in place where I can walk some trail and take pictures. I will take some pictures and walk around. I see some thingy, but it's too far away. Some bird's nest. Maybe there are birds. Maybe I see that image when I'm taking video, it often jumps. I don't know what's the reason. I am here today that is like the cooler, like 50s, 60s, no, even not 60s. I hear some people on the other shore. Today I have also the same night, which is Tamron 17 to, no, Tamron 18 to 200. I said I can go here too and sit here with some. But maybe I sit just here. Last time I was here and that guy with some woman came and they were looking at trees, which is weird. Hope today he not come. I want to have some time for myself. So nice here to relax. Birds chirping. Really like this place. Hope you can see me like so. Tea. Cheers. So I saw some people on the other shore, but I don't know if they still were. Let's see. I have to switch to this kind. Yeah, here we are there. Hope they don't see me. As I'm not as loud as they. I want to do some pictures. Stand those people over. So nice here, look guys. Pine trees growing here. I'm praying my prayer and relaxing here. So nice. I did some pictures of birds, so we'll insert in vlog 2. I have my Fjällrävenkanken backpack and I'm sitting on that part from it. See, so I'm not sitting on ground. That's cool. So nice fresh air here. I feel it like nice tent. Maybe soon I will go on some bike ride, but I thought it would be cooler, but it's not that cool today. Maybe next time. I found some tray for bike ride that would be on Pokapong to the Pokapong lake. But then I don't know what I would do with that bike. If there is a place to attach it and leave and just walk, or walk with bike, I don't know. Actually, to this place I also could go by bike, but I'm always afraid that when I leave my bike that someone would steal it, even if I have that thing that you attach to some pipe or metal railing. I have that thingy, but what if someone can somehow cut it out. But anyway, I'm here in that nice park with a lake, and it's so relaxing here. Although it is gloomy. Oh, I see the plane. Maybe I can zoom to it. Over. But the focus is not right. See plane balls. I also got the lens that is Canon one. Canon zoom lens that is 75 to 300, so I will be able to even zoom a little more and test it out in future. Here I think it was delivered today, so we'll do also unboxing, and it was few accessories, so we'll see. And I also got two backpacks from Amazon. One is for camera use, for camera accessories, and camera, and other one is just for nice thing. For general backpack with laptop. Can be for laptop actually, or just normal one. But it's more casual looking, and it's pink. But light pink, not like this one. This one is bright pink. Few more minutes here and I'm heading home. Let's see what hour it is. It's 10 to 6, I see. So soon I have to go home. Do I have a sprint here? Yeah. Seems so, but it's not that good. Okay. Still praying. Okay, ending, and maybe record something later. So I saw some bird, a big one bird flying above the trees, like making circles. So I fast grabbed camera and started doing pictures, and I think it's either eagle or maybe other bird that counts for mouses or stuff like that. And I took pictures, and I think they came out good or something. I will insert them here. So that's very good. I'm happy. I start to like my new hobby, which is taking pictures of birds or other animals. When I was studying forestry, we had some classes about birds, but I was living in the city and I didn't have opportunity. I guess I could, but I didn't have a good camera and some friends from my group from studies, they were doing some trips for birds.